what are your opinions on SB4?
So, while SB4 claims to be an initiative to boost community safety, I believe it will introduce a new wave of fear and tension, not only between immigrants and law enforcement, where there's already a lack of trust, but also in communities.
The SB4 bars any local policy that would allow police officers or local law enforcement to question one's immigration status, even if it's just through a routine detainment such as a traffic stop. Not only does this violate and contradict this country's Fourth Amendment against unreasonable searches and seizures, but this also goes against law enforcement's reasonable suspicion code of criminal procedure. Law enforcement should not be allowed to stop someone at any given time or in any circumstance to question their legal status without proof or hard evidence that one is actually illegal.
So, my opinion on SB4, I feel like it opens up the door for racism. I mean, we all know racism already exists in this country, and I just don't think it's right that you want to put this law into effect where it's just going to affect a lot of innocent people. Grant that it's illegal to come into this country without any status or documents, but I mean, we have a lot of criminals that probably need more attention. In a way, I just think Greg is doing it for more votes than anything else.
This may very well jeopardize community safety as it makes individuals more predisposed to racial profiling. SB4 will have a huge impact on Texas, especially since such a large percentage of the population in Texas is Hispanic.
As a person of color who is a citizen of this country, who was born here, I should not have to fear possibly getting stopped, getting detained, and having to undergo a process to determine whether or not I am actually a citizen of this country.
Honestly, I feel like it's just affecting our community, especially the Hispanic community.
This bill is ultimately being pushed to influence a greater removal of immigrants residing within the state, and by doing so, we could expect to see repercussions.
I feel like America really wouldn't be what it is now if it wasn't for immigrants. I mean, it was built off of us. And I just think it's wrong. It should be vetoed.
It is cruel, it's unethical, and if this is passed, it will just cause havoc. And I don't think that's something this country needs right now.
Similar bills are already pending in other states, so it'll be interesting to see how the effects seen here through the introduction of SB4 could influence future decisions within the nation.